feel sick.
Why? Oh shit, يلعن أبوك. What is this?
Mama!
Shit! Oh my god!
Mama!
What happened?
I don't know!
What happened?
What happened?
What? What did you do? لعن أبوك.
Blood!
He deserves it. Ketchup, yeah.
No!
Ketchup.
Are you kidding me?
Are you serious? This is disgusting. It's not.
Today is Mother's Day in the Middle East, and since I've been giving my mom a very hard time with my pranks, I decided to get her a very special, rare gift. I love you, Mama, and this one's for you. Mwah! Happy Mother's Day! I got you a gift.
Oh, really?
Yeah, open it. You'll love it.
Oh, thank you, Kareem.
Of course.
I wasn't expecting this.
Of course.
Thank you. Let me see. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Do you
What
like
the heck?
Do you like it?
This is the gift?
You don't like it?
I thought you were gonna get me a shoes.
I have more. Don't worry. I got something else.
No.
I got something else. You'll like this one.
How about I put the one gift?
I got you flowers.
Why would you lie on a